Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Shopify store currency. So just log in into your store. I'm going to do that right now. And after that guys, what you want to do guys, next to change the currency, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then the next thing you want to do guys, you want to scroll down a little bit. And here it says here store currency. And here it says again store currency. Click on the currency that you currently have. And here you have to select the currency that you really want. Like for example, dollars. In the top, you can find dollars. And after you select the currency that you want, you can also change the time zone. You can change everything you want here. You can customize everything. Now, after you change, guys, your store currency, make sure you click on save in the top right. Okay. So I hope guys this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Watch the video in the screen to learn more about Shopify.